Alright guys, I'm doing a special recipe. So I got these gnocchis that I've been playing around with lately. They're actually really good. I actually like them more than certain other things, like noodles and things like that. So you can also get a special type of, I'm gonna grab this here, a gluten-free one. So they do exist. So there's a gluten-free one, there's a regular one. Yeah, it's actually kind of neat, guys. So but what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do a special recipe. This is basically tuna with olive oil, and then I got some balsamic, not balsamic, so yeah, blackberry, balsamic, ginger, vinegar. I'm going to put that in, going to basically mix the two together. I'm going to see actually how well it tastes. I've never tried it. I'm like, it should work okay. So yeah, so I'm going to cook that up. I'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned, and I'll do a quick taste test. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to boil these first. And then I'm going to put this on top and then add a little bit of that, season it a bit, and then I'll see how well it tastes. People always ask me for quick, easy recipes. These will cook in like 2 minutes, so I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, so it's all done up. Here is the gnocchi with seasoning and the balsamics in there. It's actually pretty good. I think of it like a salad with gnocchi with meat. It's actually a really good meal, guys. Definitely check it out. It works really well. I'm actually pleasantly surprised how well this turned out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.